Let's go over how to place a trade from the web version of Trade Ideas. Here I am on my iPhone showing you that this can be utilized on any device that has a web browser. You can iPhone, Android phone, tablet, whatever it is that you're using, as long as you have a web browser, you can access this. So also desktop, of course, Windows and Mac OS. So two ways to do it. First, I'm going to draw your attention to the button that says Trade Ticket right here on the chart. Clicking this, I'll bring up this little box. Just go from top to bottom. The very top here, we have a buy or sell button. This is just telling us whether we want to be buying or selling the security. Then above that on the header, we have STP, which just stands for stop order, market order, or limit order. So that's where you change your type of order. You can see if I wanted to just leave it as a market order, it grays out the price because it will send out at whatever price. Stop order and limit order, I can input my price if I have that as well. Down here we have dollars or shares in the next box, and this is just whether or not I want to buy a certain amount of shares. Say I want to buy 1,000 shares of the security, or dollars. Say I want to buy $1,000 worth, and the system will adjust and tell you how many shares you're probably going to get for that $1,000. And then on TIF, this just basically means time and force, just saying how long does the order stay out there. So day would mean it will trade, or the order will stay out till today, and if it doesn't get filled, it will cancel. Week gives it a whole week to get filled, and then you just click the buy button at the bottom once you select which of your trading accounts you want to put that through. That will be very important if you're trading with our contests, because there'll be different accounts here for you. So if I would just click buy, then it would just send out an order just like that. Now that's one way to do it, and it's a very simple, straightforward interface there. Another way, which I actually like a little bit better and I think is a little bit simpler, is actually if I just tap on the chart, it brings up this little plus button. You can see here now we're at 489. If I just tap that plus button, I get a couple options. So I can both do my dollars and shares, just like the other one as well. But you'll notice it simplifies things, and it just has a buy of CXAI, put that there, or a sell of CXAI. Move that so it's easier to see. There we go. So yeah, buy $1,000 of CXAI at 315, or sell $1,000 of CXAI at 315. The thing I like about this is it changes. So if I were to buy it down here and click the buy button, it's going to put out a limit order because right now price is above it. So it's saying I'm going to buy this via limit. If I put out a stop order right there, it's now going to make that, or a sell order, it's going to make that sell a stop because it's above price. So the order adjusts based off of whether it's above or below price. It just means you don't have to think about it. You can just click on where you want to on the chart. You can say, I want to buy it if it gets to this price, whether that's above price or below price currently. It adjusts all that information for you. So again, that's a beautiful way that you can just place orders quickly, place trades quickly on the web version of Trade Ideas.